Hey, sneakerheads, we know that this video comes out every Sunday. We know that there are a lot more Jordans that release during the week, but these are the hottest ones that come out. So you like things like this, go on and hit that subscribe button, sneakerheads. Hey, what's happening, sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go on and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In this video, what we got?
That
That
weekly
weekly
heat.
heat, brother.
Yes, sir. That
That
weekly heat.
weekly heat.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna go ahead and start us off. This is beginning of March, and in March we are starting to heat up. We got some major pairs dropping this week, starting off hot and heavy. We got that on March 5th. We do have that Travis Scott Jordan Jumpman Jack collaboration. This does come at a price point of $200. As we know, Travis Scott has already shock dropped these on his website. Now these are coming out on Nike.com at 10 o'clock. Expect there to be chaos. Expect these to be very difficult to get, but they are coming out in the men's pair. It will be $200. GS pair will be $100. And the little kids will be $80.
Okay.
So this pair, you should have already seen these, but it predominantly is a white shoe. It does have that backward swoosh. It does have a white strap that comes across with some Chinese writing on there. If you do know what that Chinese writing stands for or says, let us know down in the comments because I do not know at this time. On the back, we do have his Jumpman Jack logo in red. I do like that red because it makes your shoe pop. His favorite earth tones, he is rocking that brown throughout the shoe with various hits. I do like the tongue. It has that Jumpman in red, which again makes the shoe pop. Doing something a little bit different. This shoe has a gum bottom, which I think is a nice touch with this shoe with that brown. It does look like a neutral, nice shoe for the summer. So I am rocking these. Just want to mention this, Jay the Sneaker Guy, he did get gifted by Nike. He is one of the first YouTubers that I know that have been given a shoe by Nike / the Travis Scott team. So I'd like to give a spin around applause to that. Maybe it might open the door for other shoe tubers to start getting sponsored by other brands out there. Hey, we're just a small YouTube channel, but we're always welcome. If brands want to send us some shoes, emails in the description. Just get at us. We'll be glad to do a review for y'all and present it for YouTube here on this channel. But again, I'm getting off topic. So I am rocking these. How about you, my brother? What about you?
You know what? I wasn't really a big fan of the Travis Scott's, shoe collection, right? And but this shoe, I really like this shoe. I don't know why. Maybe because he looking out for the babies, right? So in saying that, I'm rocking those. I'm rocking those. Hey, if y'all sneakerheads out there, if y'all rocking those or dropping those, hey, just drop us a comment down below and let us know if you're rocking those or dropping those. But I will be rocking those.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What we got next, my brother?
So on March the 6th, a Jordan brand is at it again with these Air Jordan 1s retro high OG dust. This is a women's shoe. Price point of that is $200. I may get off topic from this, but hey, drop us a comment down below if you feel like that price point is just too much. And Jordan brand, who's ever out there making those decisions on these price points for women, if you're trying to build your market up for getting more women to buy the Jordan brand sneakers, women don't pay $200 for shoes. I can see these shoes sitting, period. Women that's outside of sneakerheads that truly love sneakers, I can see them buying it. But if you're trying to build up that base, women ain't gonna pay $200 for no sneakers.
Yes, sir.
That's a true statement that I just made. But this shoe, this is a clean shoe. I'm a fan of the ones. What really stands out to me is attached that Nike Air hang tag they have. That shoe remind me of a purse. I could see that resembling a purse. I truly don't understand why this shoe is coming out in March. This shoe more is a ball shoe to me with those colors. I really love the ankle collar, and I love that heel and the rubber outsole. This is a very attractive shoe to me. The color blocking I really love. I truly believe that brown and orange is just a match made in heaven. And drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those, but I will be rocking those. What about you, my brother?
I do think this is a nice suede on these, but unfortunately, I will be dropping these only because Well, I can't see me pulling off a fit that, like I said, I do on one pair of orange J's, and they're just hard for me to wear. So being that this is kind of like a burnt orange with that brown, I think that this will be a difficult for me to rock. So therefore, I'm dropping those. But it is a very nice colorway, and the materials are very nice, as I agree what bro said, and I do agree also that that price is way too high, Jordan Brand. You know that $180, Jordan 1s are sitting now. They're no longer popular anymore. So, I would at least make them come out at 180 at a minimum if you want them to come out high. But for these, and another thing that people may or may not like, I don't know. Let us know down in the comments on what you think about this. But I want to point out too, it doesn't have the regular Wings logo on there. Most time the Wings logo are stamped. This one's kind of like indented or like embossed in there. Wings logo doesn't stand out. It's kind of like muted. I don't know if people like that. I'm not a ones person, so I don't know if people like that or they, rather have the regular stamped on Wings logo in black. So let us know in the comments if this is a deal breaker for you. But again, I am dropping these. Let us know in the comments, sneakerheads, are you rocking these or dropping these? So finish off on March the 9th. This is the last shoe of the week and a heavy hitter for the women. This is the Jordan 4. I'm calling these the white gold. This is coming at a price point of $210. As you know, all Jordan 4s this year will be $210. So I'm not really shocked about the price right here. This is the clean colorway, in my opinion. I think this is a perfect time for these to be dropping. As you know, back in the day, we did have the metallic pack, and we did have the metallic green, metallic orange, metallic red, metallic purple. And so all those shoes right now, over the time, they're well over $300, well over $300. So I can see this shoe doing good. Hopefully they'll come in extended sizes, but we don't know. How many of the shoe is all white? I do like that. Very clean. The knitting on the side is white. Does have that gold honeycombs, which I do make the shoe pop. One of the things I do not like about the shoe is the bottom. It's kind of like a sail or off-white, looking like a tannish. I wish that they would have just left it either white or maybe a clear bottom. That's one thing that I don't like. On the back tab, it does have that sail, and it kind of like doesn't match the shoe, in my opinion, and it just seems a little bit odd. But I have to see these in hand to see if they're really a big difference. On that bottom, you do have that tan with that gold Jumpman at the bottom in the pod, and coming around the side, we do have the white wings. And what's unusual about this, the same as the last shoe that just came out, the ones, this also has the embossed Jumpman on the tongue. Instead of being the normal stitch Jumpman on there, it does look like it's been like cattle prodded in there.
Branded.
So,
it was branded.
Branded, yes, sir. Branded. That's the word we're looking for. Looks like Jumpman was branded in the tongue. I do think it works for this shoe. However, I would have liked to see the gold to make the shoe really pop. So again, this is a very clean shoe. Again, this is for the women's. I'm gonna be rocking these only because it's a clean shoe, but I personally wouldn't be rocking these myself because you can definitely see the white contrast versus that. Looks like a beige. It really doesn't go to me. I wish they would have just left it all white. How about you, my brother? What do you think about these?
Drop us a comment down below if you guys are rocking these or dropping these. But this shoe here is just a straightforward, clean shoe overall. That price point, I mean, 4s tend to do good, Jordan Brand. So that price point of $210, I wouldn't be surprised if it's sitting because of that price point. It's a clean shoe. It's coming out at the right time with it going into the spring. So, hey, Jordan Brand, someone did put thought behind that. And I am a 4 fan. So I will be rocking those. And like I mentioned earlier on Weekly Heat, hey, drop us a comment if you rocking those or dropping those. Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we say for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.